So here you have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21, which just came out yesterday. And if you're an At&T customer, they're offering a great deal to where you can get some good things from them. They're offering like an $800 credit for your old phone to trade up to this one, and so you can upgrade for free. I don't represent At&T or sponsor, but here it is. So here's the box, and here's obviously what you're looking for inside the box: the phone, your SIM card. Pretty nice. If you look at it, it has your 3 cameras on it. Your cords. So inside here you have your manuals, At&T, blah blah blah, more At&T, and you have your USB-C to USB-C. What's strangely missing from this, just like the rest of the products in the world, is that they're trying to cut down on adapters, which nobody has, so you're forced to go out and buy another adapter anyway. So, and in the prior generations of Samsung, you had your headphones, and they don't come included either, so lacking on that. So we'll power this thing up, and gives you the Samsung Galaxy, of course powered by Android. This is running the new Android 11 on it. It should, as it's a new phone. So while this is booting up, doing its thing, so you have your walk around, you have, you know, your IMEI, you have USB-C is like your only port on this. Everything else is microphones and speakers. You do have a volume rocker here, and your Bixby switch, which is not a power switch anymore. This fingerprint thing is built in, so I've went ahead and set it up so that you can see that. So to log in, you put your finger on it. Hang on. So to log in, you put your finger on that fingerprint, boom, and it lets you in. Pretty cool to have an in-screen fingerprint. I guess Apple was kind of gawking at this and said they wanted it for the next iPhone, which of course they'll. And so here you have your Android 11 running UI version 3.1. So you get your nice little Android animation. This thing's quite snappy, quite good. So I mean, it's running through and doing its thing. Has a couple standard apps which I have disabled, and then just started putting my own stuff on there. But I mean, it's snappy and quick and ready to do it. This has the Snapcore 855 SnapDragon processor into it, and it's ready to go.